Today we're going to take a look at the General3D stand for Baofeng handheld radios, so keep watching for more. Hi, I'm Michael, KB9VBR, your host for Ham Radio Q&A. I'm on a mission to inspire and educate the amateur radio community, so if this is your first time watching, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Well, I'm sure this has happened to you. You have a Baofeng handheld radio, like the UV-5R, and you set it down. The radio promptly falls over. If the radio has an extended length antenna, it's even worse. The radios are so lightweight that they don't want to stay put. Now, I suppose you could just let the radio lay on its side, but that's going to kill the reception. Bradley over at General3D shared with me an ingenious solution. It's a small plastic stand that custom fits the base of any Baofeng UV-5R body style radio. The stand greatly improves the stability of the radio, especially with the long antennas like the Nagoya NA-771. Now you can set your radio down on your desk or picnic table or any other uneven surface and it's going to stay upright. The stand is printed in PETG plastic, so it's not going to melt or become brittle with UV exposure. Right now the stand's available for the UV-5R series radios, but more styles are coming soon, including the popular Radio Oddity GD77. The stands are sold on eBay under username General_3D, or go to his website at www.general3d.com. If you have any questions, you can contact Brad via that eBay messenger. So I'm going to be putting a few of these stands in my Go Kit and maybe another one in the camper. They're so cheap that it's easy to spread them around and have them available for when you need them. Well, for more articles and information, be sure to check out my blog at www.jpole-antenna.com. If you enjoyed this video, give me that big thumbs up. I really appreciate that. And also maybe check out some of these other videos right over here that are suggested to you. And finally, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Pressing subscribe notifies you when future videos are released. And as always, I'm Michael, KB9VBR. Have a great day, and 73.